Bonjour mes amis. No, I'm not speaking English. But what they say is when in Rome, but we're not in Rome, we're not in Italy, we're in France. So we've come to France to do a renovation for a client on a really nice house in a town. I'm not going to give the location away, but it's a lovely place. There's lots to do here over the next fortnight, and we'll do as much as we can. Most of it's going to be situated around this kitchen, sort of finishing it off, and sort of got some end panels to put in here, just to support these tops and to section off these areas here. We've got a massive cabinet to build here. It's like 3 meters tall, a couple of meters wide, seating area, cabinet space for hanging coats, etc. that'll go there. Dishwasher door to put on and level off. Got to do some bits with these worktops that have been fitted. I've already done this cabinet, so that was just a space there, so it's just an open cabinet. And then we've got this big gap behind here that we need to sort out and make usable too. There's some shelving going up here, some shelving going here. Lots of bits, lots of fun. There'll be a playlist, we'll call it The French Connection maybe. Yeah, so watch this space. Au revoir.